Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ada, and if you're new, thank you for watching. Today, I want to show you guys how to replace the elastics on a Fuzzy Bun diaper. So if you want to know how to replace the elastics on a Fuzzy Bun diaper, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your diaper that has a relaxed elastics, replacement elastics, and a pack of safety pins. I got these at the Dollar Tree for this whole pack for $1. So first thing you want to do is from your pack of safety pins, you want to get the large safety pin, the biggest one in the pack, because it'll be the easiest to work with. And then you just want to flip your diaper inside out. And these Fuzzy Bun ones, you'll notice their elastics are numbered. The elastic replacements that I have, they're not numbered, and that is because I got these off of clothdiapersupply.com. And these were actually 50 cents for an entire yard, which can do multiple diapers. The ones that you can get off of Fuzzy Bun's website when they are in stock are around $1.50, I believe, for the replacement of 3. And you just want to pull your elastic out. This one isn't too bad. So once you have your diaper flipped and all the elastics pulled out, you're ready to go. So what you want to do is take your replacement elastic, take your safety pin, and I like to hook mine just through the little opening, and then you close it. And then I usually start with the leg elastics, and what you want to do is there's a hole, it's very small, you can see it right there, to where the elastic goes in, and you just stick your safety pin in there. And you just want to feed it through until you get out the other side. And a good thing to do is I like to count the holes on these ones. I like to count the holes on these and go to that many holes on my replacement since it's not numbered, and then cut it there. So once you've counted it, or just if you have the numbered one, you just want to hook the end piece on this end of the elastic before you start threading it through, so that it doesn't get pulled all the way through when you get to the other side. It's like that. And now you just thread it through. So now it's through to the other side, and you just want to pull it through. And what I like to do is kind of pull it to where, I would want the elastic to be at, and then you just hook it on this side, like so. And then you just take your bobby pin out, and there you go. You have one side done. So now you just do the other side the exact same. Alright, so once you have both of the leg elastics replaced, now we just have to do the back elastic, which is super easy. It's the same type of concept, so you want to hook this on there. And on this one, there are 10 holes, so I'm going to count 10 holes on my replacement and cut it. If you have these regular Fuzzy Bun replacements, then you won't need the scissors because they'll already be cutting everything for you. So then you just take your bobby pin, stick it through the end like so. Start over here and thread it through this side on the same side that you have it buttoned on. Once you have it to the end where you can grab onto the safety pin, you just want to grab it and pull it through. Try to make sure it's not twisted or anything inside of there. And then you tighten it to where you want it tightened to, which I think that's pretty good. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So you want to hook it onto the corresponding button. And then remove your safety pin. And there you go. So now all you have to do is flip it back, right side out, And there you go. You have a fuzzy bun diaper that is ready to live a longer life. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell before you go so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye guys!